Welcome to today's guide on unlocking open communication on X, the platform formerly known as Twitter. If you're looking to expand your connections, collaborate with others, or simply stay accessible, enabling direct messages from everyone is a game changer. Let's walk through the updated process step by step. First, open the X app on your device. Once you're in, locate your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. It's the gateway to your account settings. Tap it once to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select Settings and Privacy, the control center for customizing your X experience. Next, scroll down to Privacy and Safety, a critical section for managing how others interact with you. Tap it to access options like data permissions, location settings, and, most importantly for our purpose, direct message controls. Now tap Direct Messages to adjust who can reach you privately. You'll see a toggle or checkbox labeled Everyone. This is the key to broadening your inbox. Select it to allow messages from any X user, whether they follow you or not. Why does this matter? Enabling this setting removes barriers to communication. Colleagues, potential collaborators, or even fans can now send you direct messages without needing a followback. It's ideal for creators, businesses, or anyone fostering an open online presence. A quick note. With this setting active, your inbox may include message requests from accounts you don't recognize. X separates these from your main conversations, giving you control to review or ignore them, and that's it. 5 simple steps to ensure you never miss a meaningful connection. Whether you're networking, building a community, or just staying approachable, this adjustment keeps your DMs open to opportunities. Before we wrap up, remember to revisit these settings anytime. Privacy needs change, and X's tools let you adapt on your terms. Thanks for joining today's tutorial. Go ahead and empower your inbox, and I'll see you in the next one.